Hello and welcome to Carigar. Today I'm going to talk about the 7-star series that we have to offer, and that is the most premium series that we have to offer. So in that series, today we are going to talk about the Carigar 7S1250MC, that is a Carigar 7-star marble cutter. So before we get into the product and get into the unboxing, I wanted to start off with the user manual, and during that process I will tell you how this is different and how this is better than any other product. The user manual will talk about the product, what is there in the product, various parts about the product, how do you assemble and how do you dismantle the blade, the do's and don'ts, things that we should not do. At Carigar we always talk about safety, that is using the safety equipments, helmet, eyeglasses, mask, gloves, earplugs. All these things are important for your health and safety. So this is the user manual. Now this is the warranty card for Carigar 7-star series marble cutter. So the warranty is there for 6 months. The terms and conditions are mentioned over here. One coupon would be given to the company and one will be with you, and during any problem or malfunction you can contact the dealer and he will do the needful. So a warranty of 6 months is given on this product against manufacturing defects. So now we will unbox the product to see to it what is there. As far as the technical specifications are concerned, the RPM is at 13,000 and the power is at 1250 watts. The same is mentioned on the box. You can see it's a different packaging from Carigar 5-star. 5-star is a black and orange. Now you can see this is blue and white. Now since this is a premium product, it is heavier than all the other models that we have seen during all these videos. Let me put this box back. First we will take a look at the machine. This is extremely sturdy, extremely heavy, and the grip is very nice, comfortable, it's good to hold, ergonomically it's very good. The quality of plastic is very heavy. I can see it's a very heavy and a very sturdy plastic. Now you can see the depth lock over here. This would be the depth angle, which is also available in this, and this is the steel plate. The quality is very good, ergonomically designed. It is a very heavy model, it's a heavy machine, and this will solve all the purpose. And since it's a 7-star series, it has a warranty, so you will have your peace of mind also. So this is something that we have from Carigar 7-star series, and this would be the tool that every product will have, and you will get the pipe, the spanner, the carbon brushes, and the attachments for the pipe. So this is what you will get with the 7-star series Carigar marble cutter. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you so much.